Hi guys! So ngayon magluluto tayo ng sticky rice cake. So but this time is lalagay natin siya sa wrapper. So yung isang buong wrapper is hahatiin ko. Then yung sticky rice cakes is in-slice ko siya into finger size. So ganyan yung size niya guys. Then, ang pinambrush ko dyan is yung water lang para mag-stick lang yung mag-stick lang yung wrapper. D3. Thank you. So, ayan siya guys. Then, fry na natin siya. Make sure na mainit talaga yung oil bago natin ilagay yung sticky rice. Ayan. Alright, it's done. So, mas okay to kasi crispy yung taste niya guys.